Welcome to section 5. In the foundation of data analysis, we are going to see about the data preparation for data analysis. So in the previous lectures, we have seen about the computational methods which is needed for data analysis. We have seen about the basic computational methods and the advanced computational methods. Now we are going to see about the data preparation for data analysis. Under that, we are going to see how to handle the various data file format. For that, we must know what are the data file formats available for data analysis. In data analysis, data comes from various resources, online, physical, application from the form, in the format of the data collected using some surveys. So different types of data resources available. How we are going to handle all those data for data analysis. So understanding the file format is crucial for data import and export, data cleaning and transformation, compatibility across tools and platforms. The common file format in data analysis that we are using regularly are CSV, that is the comma separated values, Excel files, .xlx, .xlsx, JSON file format, JavaScript object notation, and the HTML tables, HDF5, that is the hierarchical data format, SQL database records, and then Avro, big data formats. So these are the commonly used file format for data analysis. First, let's see about all the file formats one by one. First thing is CSV, comma separated value files. This is the plain text files with comma separated values. The main advantage of this CSV is the file will be very simple. It's a human readable format, this is widely supported format for all the data types of analysis method. And the disadvantage is no data types, no metadata available for this. The syntax for this, we have to import pandas as PD and df equal to pd.read_CSV. And the Excel files, that is .xlx and .xlsx, which is the spreadsheet format used by Microsoft Excel, which is supported multiple sheets, formulas. The styles used in business, reporting, and tabular data. The syntax for Excel files is the data frame will be read pd.read_Excel, the data.xlx or .xlsx. Sheet name, we can give it as sheet 1. And the next thing is HTML tables. So the data scrapped from the online web pages, that is HTML tables, useful for collecting public data sets. It requires the web scrapping libraries. So for example, pd.read_HTML, we can give the HTML link from the online portal wherever we want to extract the data. And HDF5 format, which is efficient for storing large numerical data. This is the hierarchical data file, and this is the compressed format, which is used in scientific computing and deep learning. If suppose you want to work any deep learning or machine learning projects, then you can go with HDF5 format. So the syntax for HDF5 is pd.read_hdf data.h5. We have to store this as H5 dataset. Then we have to give the dataset name. Then SQL databases, which is the structure format with query language. SQL query is used for a large scale transactional data. The common systems are MySQL, SQLite, PostgreSQL. The syntax for this is given below. We have to import the SQLite library and we have to connect them with the database using the query language. The comparison table for the all type of file format. First thing is CSV, which is readable. This is not a hierarchical data. This is a small and medium sized support files can be used using CSV. Simple tabular format, rows and columns will be there. Next thing is Excel, which is also readable. This is not a hierarchical format. This is a very small size supported files. A report, business data can be used in Excel format. JSON is a readable hierarchical format. This is small and medium sized support files. Web APIs, nested data, those kind of use cases, we can use JSON. HTML is readable and this is semi-hierarchical, but we can use the very small size of data and then web scraping method is used. HDFI is not readable. Here we cannot read the files and this is the hierarchical format and the large size of file will be supported using HDFI. This is a scientific and numerical data can be used using this HDFI format. SQLDB, this is readable. This is not readable. This is a relational format. Large size of files can be used in this SQLDB. This is the use cases that we can use it. Transactional databases. So what are the tools and references? We can use libraries like Pandas, JSON, SQLite, and the H5Py tools for Microsoft Excel. SQL clients we can use. Web scraping tools, many tools are available, Beautiful Soup, Request. So many tools are available. Using that, we can able to access and handle these type of files. Thank you.